Hello, I'm Melissa with Make Sense of Magic, and today I have two properties that I want to show you that are right next door to each other, and they're both really great options when you are looking for a hotel for your Disneyland vacation. The first one is the Ayres Hotel, and the second is the ALO. So we're going to check out both properties. You can see similarities, you can see differences, and you can decide if maybe one of these might be perfect for your trip to Disneyland, because they are both really great. Now, if you want to come stay at either of these properties, I highly recommend booking through my travel partners at Getaway Today, because you can get discounted rates, and who doesn't want discounted rates? You don't want to pay full price. Plus, there's some perks through booking with Getaway Today. We're going to talk all about it, but let's go check out this property. Oh, look how pretty this lobby is. Very pretty. Nice. Here at the Ayres Hotel, you get complimentary breakfast in here, which is great. And also when you book with Getaway Today, you get free parking. So that's great too. This is the fitness center. So if you are one that likes to work out on your vacation, this is a great fitness center. Actually, it's really big. So this is nice. And outside we have this courtyard, and the pool is out here too. Look how pretty this is. Nice and peaceful. Let's go check out their pool. Oh, nice. There we go. Got some seating out here, a hot tub back there, and then we've got this great pool. This is really nice. Let's go check out the rooms. We're going to see the rooms. All right, this room is the accessible 2-queen bedroom. So it's all accessible. Got the bathroom. This is really pretty. And I noticed a closet right back here behind the door. There we go, little closet area. And then over here, let's go check out the beds. So there's a lot of space here. We've got the microwave right here and the refrigerator. You've got the coffee station. And then of course the 2-queen beds and a desk. This is really pretty. Oh, look how pretty this dresser is. I love that there's storage space. I'm one of those that likes to unpack on vacation. I don't know. There's something nice about it. It makes me feel good, so I do it. Nice big room. This is really, really pretty. Next up, we have the standard double queen. This one has a half partition, while not all of them do, but if it's available, then you can request it. But we've got the fridge and the microwave and some storage space here. And look at the cute little animals, towel animals. Cute. So there's a big closet right here. This one has a lot of space as well. This is really nice. So we've got the half partition wall, and it's got beautiful curtains and the chair and that dresser that I really like. Very nice. Let's go check out the bathroom. Over here, we've got the sink area. Oh, more storage? I love it. More storage. And then this very large bathroom. Look at that tub. I'm a tub person. Oh my gosh. Yep. I will hang out in that tub. Very, very great. Next up, we have the 1-king bed. Thank you. And we've got the fridge and the microwave and the coffee station. So this room is very similar to the standard 2-queen that we just saw, but this doesn't obviously have 2 queens. It has the king, and it has a couch. That's really nice. Got a closet right here. Check that out. We've got a full-size mirror. And it's really nice. This is very spacious. Very spacious. You're not going to feel cramped at this property. And then over here's the bathroom. Got, do you think they have the tub? No, no tub. Shower, but a nice shower. Very nice shower. And then back here, there is more storage. Awesome. That was such a great property. I love the Ayres, but we got to go to its sister property, which is right next door. They share a parking lot called the ALO, and that stands for Ayres Loves Orange. I don't know what that means, but that's what it stands for. So let's go check out the ALO so you can see that property as well. Here's the ALO that we're going to go see right now, and right here is the Ayres. Both. I have stayed at the ALO before, but it's been a while, so I'm excited to go and check it out again. Attached to it is this modern Mexican restaurant. What is it called? I don't know. I'm not good at reading cursive, but I bet it's delicious. No, it's Anapalco. Whoa, I tripped on the curb. Anapalco. That's not how you say it, obviously. But there you go. Here's the lobby area. Now at the ALO, when you book through Getaway Today, you get the free breakfast and you get free parking and then also reduced rates. Obviously, with both properties, you're going to get reduced rates, which is great. That's why we're here. We want reduced rates. Now there is this little area right here. You can grab your drinks and your snacks. Anything you may have forgotten or may need, they probably have it right here. So you get to eat breakfast here in the Mexican restaurant. So there's a little room right over there to the side where you grab your breakfast, and then you can come sit in this really fun room and enjoy breakfast. Look how fun this little walkway is over to the pool. Oh, they've got a fountain and everything. Look how nice. Here's the pool. So they've got their little pool area here and a hot tub. This looks nice. And look at this fitness center. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is nice. Positive mind, positive vibe, positive life. Wow, this is impressive. They've got a lot of stuff. I don't know what any of it is, but it's nice. If I was going to work out, I would do it in here. Let's check out this room. This is a king deluxe with a sofa sleeper. Oh, it's so pretty. We've got a bathroom in here, a shower, and over here we have all of this storage right here. This is really nice. Look, we've got a big closet section, lots of cubbies to store things in. We've got the coffee maker, the microwave, and the fridge. Oh, this is pretty. Look. Yeah, so there's the sofa sleeper. Doubles as the couch, and then they've got this nice big bed. This room opens up into that courtyard by the pool that we walked by. That was really pretty. So this is a nice little view, and then we've got the desk, more storage. Ah, I love it. I'm such a sucker for storage. Got the mirror, and a little bench right here. This is a really nice room. And this one is the 2 Queen Deluxe. So we can check this out. Got the bathrooms right here. That's the tub shower combo. Now this room also has the really great storage section. I'm gonna call it right here. This open closet concept with all these cubbies. They're just places to put all your stuff, which is great. And the microwave and the fridge. And then we've got these 2 queen beds. Really nice. We've got the hardwood floors, which is great. More drawer space over here and a desk. This is really nice. Very, very comfortable. I did want to mention location. Both of these properties are not within walking distance of Disneyland. Because of that, they are a really great price, because when you're a little farther away from the parks, then you get lower prices. That's just how it works. So they have a really great value, but you can't walk to the parks, which, if that matters to you, then you're going to need to pick somewhere else. But if it doesn't, then you can take alternative transportation to the park. Then you're going to be able to save a lot of money and get the very, very best value. All right, so we saw both options, and both are obviously great choices. I mean, you really can't go wrong with the Ayres or the ALO Hotel. They're both great options. So I'm going to put a link to both of them down below through my travel partners at Getaway Today, because like I said, they're the best way to book these properties. So you get those extra perks that we talked about, you get the reduced rates, and you don't want to pay full price. So come and stay at ALO or Ayres. They're both great. Let me know if you've stayed at either of these properties. What was your favorite? I'd love to hear about it. Thanks so much for watching. See ya.